Hi guys, I'm Christina from HungryForever Bangalore, and today we are here at Tata Cha, a place that aims to revive a millennial's love for tea. They've got an amazing monsoon menu that we're here to try out, along with their absolutely delicious beverages that are made one teacup at a time, just like your local tea vendor. So let's go check it out. As the monsoon season hits Bengaluru, what could be better than some chai and snacks? At Tata Cha, they've curated an amazing monsoon menu that consists of litti choka, a keema pav, as well as a sandal salad. You can walk into any of the 6 outlets they have in Bengaluru and try them out. So, we just had our fill of chai and snacks at Tata Cha. One of the things we really enjoyed about the place was its relaxed vibe and the bohemian ambiance. We tried all the items on their monsoon menu, and we've definitely got to give a shout out to their keema pav. We also really enjoyed the litti choka and their ginger tea. We think that Tata Cha is the perfect place to go to grab a cup of chai with your friends or to even have a quick meeting. And in the Bangalore rains, who could say no to a cup of masala chai and bun muska? If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel on YouTube as well as follow us on social media. And as always, stay hungry!